今天公司来了一位孟加拉客户，他说要在自己订购的设备上做上标记，于是他不停地签，不停地签。接下来为他现场演示切割过程。
Oh, a round and a square. You bought our three machine, one shearing machine, one lesson cutting machine. Yeah, this one, and shearing. Yeah.
One
Press brake. Why you choose our craft machine?
I came China for a long day and I was keep checking with other factories, but the factory I did not find the quality and the strength of the machine as this machine is. So I think that, and I also see the test and the performance,
Okay.
the noise level and the precise cutting. I find it very accurate. And, what we are looking for. That's why I go with Paris. We bought two machines. I think this will help our production in our country, Bangladesh, and we can support our customer in Bangladesh.
Thank you for your
Very
recognition.
happy to finally close the deal with Paris.
Oh,
And
thank you.
Paris boss, Mr. Danny, is very good person, very committed person.
Thank you, thank you. We are also very glad
I like
glad to cooperate with you.
Very good person.
Yeah, thank you.